Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. On today's project, we're going to be doing some quick fixes in a bathroom, basement bathroom that is. Let me show you what that bathroom looks like. Okay, in this bathroom, we'll be doing a little bit of electrical work on the light. We're going to tear out that bottom baseboard. We're going to replace that. We're going to address the sink. We probably won't do that in this episode. We'll probably do it a few episodes down because we have to order that. But we have to address that. We will have to add a wall right here to enclose the bathroom. We will also address the door, and these are going to be quick fixes, and we're going to change the toilet seat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the light switch first. From what I can see is that it looks like it was just pulled down. I don't see any loose connections, but I'm going to test everything and we're going to get this screw back up and then we're going to go to the door. All right. Okay, now what we're doing is we're pushing the wire back into the housing. Everything has been checked and corrected, so the wires go back, and turn this into place. I'm gonna screw it down. Okay. All right, now you don't want to over torque these because they will snap. It will snap the housing because it's porcelain, like a porcelain material. All right, that's nice and tight. Now I'm gonna get a LED. Put that in, screw that in. And again, this is not a expensive fix because we could have elected to go up to a different up to date, but we're gonna keep it simple in this fix. Okay, so now we got light. Next, we're going to move on to the door. Now what we did is we placed our Ryobi Jig on the door and we screwed it in at the front, and we're about to drill through here. We're going to bore our secondary hole for our locking mechanism. We're going to do that now. Okay, so now we're ready to bore our hole. We're gonna line it up in the center, turn it on, nice and slow. Okay, our hole is coming out nice. Remember to take your time, don't jam it in there because it'll get stuck. Okay. I'm gonna push that out first. Yeah, we're gonna, I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna clear our wood out. I'm gonna clear that out. Now with our hole perfectly hollowed out, we're gonna go ahead and take our jig back off. Lefty loosey. Okay, now we have a perfect bored out hole. You can see that. Perfectly bored out hole. Now let's start assembling our lock. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mortise this out a little bit. We've already drew our outline, so we're gonna mortise that out using our multi-purpose tool here. We have our multi-purpose tool by DeWalt, and no, we're not sponsored by DeWalt. Let's get that going. Now we're mortising out our space ever so carefully. Okay, not so bad. Come back a little bit this way. See if you can see that. Okay, let's check out to see if it fits. Okay, because this is a older door and we have to be careful because we don't want to mar it up as much as possible, or we don't want to mar it up at all. But we want to be careful because we don't want to take out too much material because, like I say, this is an old door. Now just a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. Now let's get our lock and everything assembled. So first, I'll slide that in. And we're not going to screw this in yet. We're going to let this sit. We're going to put the handles in first. And this is not a locking mechanism. This is just for aesthetics to, open and close the door. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now in this instance, I'm gonna flip it around, but I wanted to see. Oh yeah, that's a perfect fit. And the reason I'm gonna flip it around, because of course the screws go in this way. But I just wanted to see, and we're gonna go ahead, start getting our lock installed. All right, flip it around. Make sure she opens and closes. Okay. In place. All right, and that's gonna be it. Let's get our screws tight. Okay, now we're gonna screw this plate in ever so slightly. Well, not so slightly, but carefully, because like I say, I don't want to split the door. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. Nice and easy. Get the bottom. All right, now we're gonna hit our strike plate. See, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mortise that out a little more where you see my black line at. Right there. You should be able to follow my finger around this black line. I'm gonna cut that out. That way the door closes perfectly. And because it's tight and I don't want to risk messing up, I'm going to utilize a smaller for my multi-purpose cutter. It's a general purpose tool. It fits DeWalt, of course, Dremel, Milwaukee, and more. It's a bimetal oscillating blade. But if you look at it, it's a lot smaller, so I have a lot more control. And what I mean by that, and I'll show you in a second. So as you notice, look at the profile. That's a lot more control on this side than this. You can still control it, but you got more control with this. And with that being said, let's get it on there. So we'll grab our multi-purpose tool, squeeze down on the lever, tuck in the blade as such. And what's beautiful about it is you can, switch it this way and cut this way. I like that. But we're gonna put it back towards the front. That's what we want. Okay. Now let's grab our battery. From our drill or impact. Okay, let's go in. Okay, let me give you a more of a bird's eye view of what it is I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can hold it a little bit so you can get the gist of it. Give you even more close up. Let's see. And as you see, all I'm doing is basically raking over that so that I can clear that space so that latch will go in there and I can put the strike plate up there. All right. Okay, we got the strike plate in order. Nice and easy. We don't want to over torque these screws. All right. Nice and easy. Let's check our door. Let's see. Okay, on to the next thing. I realize this is a little backwards, but the tools that I've been using today are from my multi-purpose tool. Of course, a Milwaukee tape measure with an auto lock feature, my screwdriver, ratcheting screwdriver, my level, my Ryobi Jig for the door handle, my bore saw. There should be two bore saws, one there and one up top. That is for the center punch out on the door. I got got one impact. I got a screwdriver, or excuse me, I got a impact and a regular driver. I have two insulated screwdrivers, and that's because I was doing electrical earlier. I have a Klein Tools multi-purpose tester, or excuse me, it's just a voltage tester. And of course, I have a... Did I get my speed square? Well, I got my combination square there. Combination square. And I don't see anything else. And a hammer floating around. Okay, let's get back to this. So now what we're doing is, if you can see anything that was rotted here, we're cutting it out. We're going to cut all the way down. We're going to cut all of that out right now. Let's see if I can get a glimpse. I'm going to take out that there, and we're going to replace that with pressure treated. Let's do that now. Now we're going to start cutting this. Yes. Now you can see what we're doing. We're going to make a straight line and cut all of that out. Okay, now we got that cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and see if our pieces fit. We got 2 pieces of pressure treated, and it's gonna go right in there. And we're gonna screw into that. Okay. So with our piece cut out, we got 2 pieces of pressure treated. We're gonna go ahead and screw that in. And then we'll go ahead and build this wall up. But with that being said, we're gonna make this another part because we have a lot going on. And with that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman. Stay tuned for another episode. We'll come back for this install. And as always, please hit that like and subscribe. Back to you in a flash.